Hey guys, it's Gwendolyn here, and it's been a while since I've made a video, but I wanted to come on and make a quick video regarding this system, the automated Cash App system, which I discovered a few weeks ago. And it's an easy way to make money online. It's a way you can generate unlimited $27 payments to your Cash App 24/7, just simply by sharing the link. That's it. Now, as you know, the Cash App, which you download from your mobile phone, it's been around a while, and millions of people have downloaded the Cash App and are using it. They're not only using it, but they are also sharing it and getting free money from Cash App. So if you haven't already downloaded this simple app, the Cash App, I've included the link. You go ahead, you download that app so that you can start using it, and you can actually start generating some free money from it. Now, getting back to this new system here, which is the automated Cash App system. It was created once again by Bones Rodriquez, and basically this system allows you to get unlimited $27 payments to your Cash App 24/7. Simple. How cool is this? And that's why I'm excited about sharing it, because the automated Cash App system, if you don't overthink it, you can easily make $100 per day using the automated Cash App system. We're showing people how they can make this extra income using this particular system just from following simple instructions that have been provided by the creator here. So once you go ahead and click this particular link, you will land on this particular page. All you need to do is, if you haven't signed up for the Cash App, I've included the link below. You can actually skip this step, and then you can go to step 2, complete step 2, and then complete step 3 to confirm that you've completed these steps so that you can get access to your system, so that you can set it up, you can start sharing your link, and you can start making $27 over and over and over again. Okay, in addition, with this particular system, once you complete steps 1, 2, and 3, you are actually going to get access, or going to have access to the reseller license, so that you can get the 100% commissions. You're also going to get a training course which will show you exactly how you're going to make money with this system step by step. Plus, there are a lot of other bonuses that have been added within this system that you'll have access to. Now, all you got to do, once again, is download the automated Cash App system just by clicking my link. And as a bonus to you, what I am going to do is, because I really like this system, it's simple, it's easy. Once you complete steps 1, 2, and 3, I'm actually going to, as a bonus from me, I'm going to give you back $5 when you join me. Okay? So be sure to click the link. Don't sit on this one. Click the link so that you can start making these $27 payments instantly to your Cash App. And of course, just remember, results will vary and your efforts determine your own success. I'm here to help you. I really like this system. It's simple, it's a no-brainer, and you need to definitely jump on this. So go ahead. I've included all the links so that you can go ahead and get started. If you have any questions, I'm on Facebook. You can Facebook message me, and let's do this. Okay, let's get you going. And I will talk to you later.